right, hey guys, my name is Dr. Chelle, also known as Dr. Test Prep, and I pretty much have spent years creating free resources for teens just like you. This question is for my Your Questions Answered series for SAT Math, and it has already been an exceptionally well answered in the comments. I just know that other kids will have the same question, and it's a great example of how Desmos can help you. So I know the answer question has been answered for those of you who are watching the video who answered the question, but I still think it's a great question for my YouTube channel. All right, so let's take a look at it. In the given system of equations, A is a constant. We don't know what A is yet, but that's okay. It says what the graphs of the equations in the given system intersect at exactly one point, x, y. What is the value of x? So multiple people in the comments said type it into Desmos, and that's exactly what we're going to do first. We're going to type in the first one, which is a quadratic. We know it's a quadratic because after we finish typing it, it'll look like the letter U, but we also know it's a quadratic because it has squared, x squared in it. All right, our next one is linear. We know it's linear because the x exponent is 1, and I'm going to put plus a and then use the slider bar. So the first thing we have to do is we have to figure out, like, where are they going to intersect? Remember, the SAT is not going to give you anything overly complicated. Like, it's not going to be at 7.3625. So we're going to keep moving this, and we're going to move it to the point that the red line, the red linear equation, touches the black graph at one spot. So here it's still two spots, and right about here, I'm going to zoom in. We can see that there it is at -8. Okay, so now we know that this is our point of intersection. Now, look at how mean they were. We know that A equals -8, and that's one of the answer choices, but that's not the question. The question says A is a constant. Now we know that it's -8, but it wants the X value of the intersection point. And that's why I would put this, like, this is definitely in the medium hard questions. This is what, like, a question for like the 650, 700s. So looking at this, we can see that the A value is -8, but our point of intersection is at 610, and where 6 is x and y is 10. So the correct answer is the 6. So especially as you get to the harder questions in math, you want to make sure, am I answering the question and not just clicking? All right, thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.